My name is Anju and you're watching DIY Arunachal. So for today's video, I'm going to make my outfit to wear to the airport. Let's move into the video. So the first outfit you're looking right now is a dress or cardigan. I don't know, but it is quite beautiful material and I want to make the best out of it. And also it will be injustice if I don't use this fabric. And the pant, I don't know, I don't wear it anymore. So after thinking for less than 60 seconds, I decided to keep the first outfit as it is because I really love the flare of the skirt, but the arms was what kind of not working and it's too tight. Finally, I ended up deciding that I will use the arm as my strap. I'm going to use this pant as my lining fabric. And the lining fabric will be shorter than my actual dress. Back side of the dress is lower than the front side, so just like that you are going to dress out in the lining fabric and cut it down. Now stretch the fabric as you pin them because that will assure you that you are equally distributing the fabric. This is how you're going to sew. As you sew, stretch this fabric but not the dress fabric. Sleeves will be my strap, so I made gathering on the both ends of the strap. Then lastly, I've decided to place the strap and we're done here. That's all for the video and thank you so much for watching. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.